Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we'll show you how to avoid copyright on YouTube with a few simple tricks. Before continuing this video, make sure to like and subscribe. So let's get started. For the first thing you need to know is to avoid using footage which have copyright. Make sure to not copy others' work and be creative and use original content. Another reason why many videos face copyright infringement issues is because of the music. So if you want to avoid this issue, what you can do is go to Google, type copyright free music download, and now you can use this music, whatever you like, for your videos, and hopefully you will not get any sort of copyright issues on your videos. Follow these 2 tips and tricks and make sure to always create original work. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up.